if achieving a sleek waistline, sculpted contours, and a lit from within glow isn't about eating less, but about mastering the rhythm of your cells? The secret isn't deprivation, it's biological timing. Welcome to Slim Science TV, where we unlock the biochemistry of the Nourishment-to-Rest Cycle, a scientifically engineered approach to cellular renewal and endogenous detoxification, crafted exclusively for the female body. When your digestive system rests past the 12-hour mark, a profound metabolic shift occurs. Circulating insulin drops to baseline, which unlocks hormone-sensitive lipase to mobilize stored fat. At this exact threshold, your liver begins producing ketones, a refined, ultra-clean cellular fuel. Ketones power your body and brain with steady, sustained energy, while naturally curbing mid-morning cravings. These ketones do far more than fuel your metabolism. As they reach the brain, they trigger the synthesis of BDNF, Brain-Derived Neurotrophic Factor. Think of BDNF as an internal neurosculptor. It sharpens mental clarity, protects neural pathways, and stabilizes mood, giving you that serene, poised focus throughout your morning without relying on caffeine or sugar. During extended metabolic rest, your cells initiate endogenous detoxification. Downregulated nutrient sensors activate autophagic pathways, your body's built-in recycling mechanism. Cells clear away metabolic debris, damaged organelles, and inflammatory proteins. This deep cellular housekeeping purifies your tissues, reduces facial puffiness, and provides the essential amino acids needed to rebuild firm, youthful collagen. A peaceful digestive tract is essential for a sculpted silhouette. Without the constant burden of digesting food, your gut initiates the Migrating Motor Complex, an internal sweeping wave that purges stagnant waste and restores microbial balance. The direct result? A visibly flatter stomach, eliminated water retention, and a smooth, radiant skin tone. Because female biochemistry is cyclical, your rest windows should be too. Honor your follicular phase with longer metabolic rest, and transition to gentle 12-hour recovery windows during your luteal phase to protect progesterone. True elegance is never about extreme diets. It is about biological resonance. Subscribe to Slim Science TV to master your nutritional biochemistry. Until next time, stay sleek, stay radiant.